Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the Toyota MR2, reimagined as a 1969 concept. While the MR2 officially made its debut in the mid-1980s, we're exploring what this iconic car might have looked like had it arrived 2 decades earlier. Picture a 1969 Toyota MR2 with the sleek, angular design language of the late 1960s. With compact proportions, sharp lines, and chrome accents, it would have been a stunning combination of retro aesthetics and advanced engineering. This concept would feature pop-up headlights, a low-slung stance, and a lightweight body that emphasized agility and performance. Under the hood, this imagined MR2 might house a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, delivering just the right balance of power and efficiency. True to the MR2's legacy, it would retain a mid-engine layout, providing exceptional handling and weight distribution, a rarity for sports cars of the era. Inside the cabin, you'd find a driver-focused interior with a minimalist dashboard, analog gauges, and bucket seats. Toyota's commitment to practicality and innovation would shine through in every detail, creating a car that's as functional as it is fun to drive. The 1969 Toyota MR2 concept would have been a game changer, showcasing Toyota's forward-thinking approach to sports car design. While it's purely a reimagined concept, it's exciting to think about how this car could have shaped automotive history if it had debuted in the late 1960s. Thank you for joining us on Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more imaginative takes on automotive legends and deep dives into classic cars. See you next time.